Welcome to our video on crypto market analysis and BTC analysis. Today, we will provide you with valuable insights and analysis on the cryptocurrency market, with a specific focus on Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, and staying informed is crucial. In this video, we will educate and inform you about the current state of the crypto market and provide in-depth analysis on Bitcoin. Whether you're an investor, trader, or simply interested in cryptocurrency, this video is for you. We will break down complex concepts and provide valuable insights that can help you make informed decisions. Our analysis is serious and analytical, ensuring that you receive accurate and reliable information. We dive deep into the market trends, historical data, and the factors influencing Bitcoin's performance. With a professional and informative style, we present the information in a way that is easy to understand and digest. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge and help you navigate the crypto market with confidence. The pace of our video is medium, allowing you to absorb the information without feeling overwhelmed. We strike a balance between providing detailed analysis and keeping the video engaging and dynamic. In each scene, we will cover key topics such as crypto market analysis and BTC analysis. These topics are essential for understanding the current state of the market and making informed decisions. Throughout the video, we will provide text overlays to emphasize important points and enhance your understanding. These overlays will be concise and visually appealing, ensuring a seamless viewing experience. Our video is designed to educate and inform, making it suitable for platforms like YouTube. We aim to reach a wide audience and provide valuable insights that can benefit both beginners and experienced individuals. The aspect ratio of our video is 16:9, ensuring compatibility with various devices and platforms. You can enjoy our content on your preferred screen without any compromise in quality.